All right, so in this video, we're going to go over our Send Policy Details button feature. It's one of our most highly requested, highly sought after features that makes it extremely easy for you to send policy information, any details in regard to the policy to your client, whether it would be the primary owner, the secondary owner, or any children policy. So let's hop into it. Now, if we hop into a contact right here, you can either collapse the contact field or not. You'll see down here, policy info 1, policy info 2, child 1, child 2. Now, you're either going to have some prior communication with that client, so whether that would be maybe a template that you have sent them or a phone call, whatever it may be, doesn't matter. You'll come up here, you'll click policy info, and you'll fill out the policy details. So, policy number, monthly premium, say $200 a month, beneficiary, their insurance provider, doesn't matter which one you choose, let's just say Mutual of Omaha, face amount, premium, policy annual premium, just the 200 times 12, their why for having the policy, legacy money, and to pay off burial expenses, and then their monthly draft, say it's on the 29th. Now, once you're done with that, you're going to head over, click Save. Once that saves, benefit of this is you're going to have your policy information all in one place. You're not going to need to save it in a Notes tab in another CRM. You're not going to need to save it on Google Sheets or an Excel file. You'll have it all in one place. And you can search internally. So if you only have, let's say, a specific beneficiary name or policy number that you've gotten from the client and you want to look it up and maybe you forgot their first and last name, you can do that easily as well. Once you're done with that, you're going to head to the top up here. You're going to see Send Policy Details button. Click that once. It'll say Sending and then Sent. What that did is it put it into an automated email and a text message, as you see, that goes out on your behalf. This would say your first and last name here. That's just the name of the location that we're doing this on. As you see, it says, lead name. First, I want to congratulate you again on qualifying with our premier company, Mutual of Omaha, providing the best protection for families well over 100 years. Some important reminders. Your policy will be delivered in 1 to 2 weeks. All the information in regard to your policy that you just filled out. And then it cements it a little bit further. Nobody should be contacting you about your coverage or your policy. If any other agent does, be sure to give them my information. I am happy to speak with them. Save my information. If anything changes in the future or have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. I'm grateful to serve you and your family. I look forward to speaking with you soon. This is blank because this gets filled out by you, your first and last name, a signature, your verified producer page would go here as well. And then a minute later, from this email sending out, a text message will go out as well, which I'll show you here in a second. As you see, the text message just came through. Goes, hey, lead name, here's the information in regard to your policy. Congrats again. And then all the information in regard to the policy like we had just filled out on the email. Other than that, you don't need to do anything to send any further policy details.